very important.
Absolutely. So this is the university. I'm privileged to welcome all of you to this afternoon.
I want to thank you for, taking time off and the sacrifice you had to make to accommodate us, and we're looking forward to a very successful program. I know it will be because my comrade here is one of the leading Pan Africanists, and it's just a joy to hear him speak, and he's well sought after. So I also want to thank him for giving us his time, to be able to travel. Considering that he was here only a few months ago, at the invitation of Bernard Mona and his team, and we invited him again, and he's agreed to come. So we wish to welcome him too. So thank you again.
Your Excellency, the pleasure is all ours, and we are delighted to have you. So. Number one destination for quality education globally.
Good.
Sustainable development goal 4.
Yes.
So, Excellency, there's evidence.
All right.
It's a real pleasure and an honor, Your Excellency, to have you.
So let me just say how great I am to be given and granted the opportunity to be present and to share my thoughts with you. And I'm glad that I'm speaking in the presence of his son. And as the saying goes, I hope that the apple does not fall far from the tree. So let me just allow him to stop there in the hope that we'll interact a lot more structurally during the lecture. Thank you very much.